Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech how-tos in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into how to change your Hulu subscription plan. Whether you're upgrading for ad-free viewing, downgrading to save on costs, or switching to a bundle, this quick guide will get you sorted in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hulu account. Head over to the Hulu website or open the app on your device. Enter your email and password, and make sure you're on a secure connection. Nobody wants surprises with their subscriptions. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. If you're on the app, tap the profile icon at the bottom right and look for the account options. This is where all the magic happens. Now, scroll down to the Manage Your Subscription section. Here, you'll see your current plan details, including what you're paying and what features you have. Click on Change Plan, or something similar. It might say Manage Plan, depending on updates to the interface. A new page will pop up with available options. Hulu typically offers plans like the basic with ads, no ads, or premium bundles with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Take a moment to compare them based on your needs. Select the one that fits you best, and don't forget to check for any price changes or trial offers. After selecting your new plan, review the summary. This will show you the updated cost, billing date, and any other details. If everything looks good, hit Confirm or Submit Changes. Hulu might ask for payment confirmation if you're upgrading, so have your details ready. And just like that, you're done. Your changes should take effect immediately or at the next billing cycle, depending on Hulu's policies. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on streaming, tech, and everyday hacks. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.